Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gulf ArabicMaster. This is Wahab, certified Arabic translator and trainer. Through this channel, I have been teaching Arabic and translation. Today, I am going to show you how to add or configure Arabic language on mobile. It's very simple, and whether you have purchased your mobile other than any Arab countries, so you need to add or configure Arabic on your system, or whether you purchased your mobile from any Arab countries, so you don't need to add Arabic. It will be already inbuilt. It will be there, and I will show you the steps how to install it. Here we go. You can see one settings tab here. You click on that. Now you will in the bottom of the screen you can see system. After that Google, and you can see system. So system navigation, system update, about phone, language and input. So you click on that. So this will navigate to this screen, and this screen you can see the fourth one, language and input. Just click on that. So you will get this screen. On the top of that you can see the language button. Here this field, like if you need to change all the system language into Arabic, you can click on that. And if you are not comfortable to make all your system in Arabic, so better you don't click on that. So once you click here, you add Arabic, your all system will be your all mobile phone language will be in Arabic. So if you don't need that, you come down and you can see Gboard here, so you click on that. Okay, so you can see the first one, the languages. You just click on that. So at the bottom you can see here add keyboard. So just to click on that. So from this list you can select the language which you need to configure. So I have already added Arabic on my mobile, so I don't need to add it. Otherwise I can add it. Okay, so once you add Arabic, your keyboard will be in Arabic. So that's all. And so let us go and see how it's working. Here we go. Let us go back. Okay, so this is main screen. Here on Google, let me type it. Here you can see one globe icon here. When I click on it, the language it's getting changed, so I can change clicking on that. See, now it changed to English. Once again I click on it, it's changed to Arabic. So I'm going to type something in Arabic. I'm going to type Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Okay, so that's all it. You can also try the same. Hope you found the video very useful and informative. I have already uploaded 30 plus videos on my channel, Gulf ArabicMaster. You can start enjoy watching all the videos by visiting my channel. If you like my videos, you may please share with your friends and colleagues. And if you subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, then you will be getting all the videos once I upload my videos to my channel. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Ma salama.